Email verification failed on Interactive Brokers fix. If you're struggling to verify your email on Interactive Brokers, most people assume it's a platform error. The surprising truth is that the issue usually comes down to simple factors like email typos, spam filters, or outdated account information. The good news is that you can solve it quickly with a few careful steps. Step 1. Check every folder in your email account, including spam, junk, and promotions. Interactive Brokers verification emails are often filtered by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, so a thorough search is key. Step 2. Verify that the email address listed in your Interactive Brokers account is accurate. Even a single typo can prevent verification entirely. If you spot an error, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add notifications. Interactive Brokers come to your contacts or safe sender list. This prevents future verification emails from being blocked or redirected to spam. Step 4. Request a fresh verification email from the Interactive Brokers website or app. Avoid requesting multiple links at once, as this can temporarily block the verification process. Finally, once your email is verified, enable two-factor authentication. This adds extra security and ensures you receive all notifications promptly, keeping your account safe. Following these steps ensures that your Interactive Brokers email verification completes smoothly, letting you access all trading tools and account features without interruption. Proper email management is key to a seamless and secure trading experience.